हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। इस वीडियो में बात कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर्स 1 to 6 ऑफ बंगाली ट्यूटर असाइनमेंट्स एंड if you are looking for assignments, so we are here for help you. You can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is given on the screen 900-936-8238. So we will provide all the assignment on your WhatsApp. And here that you can see here, the total 6 questions are given. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3 are same, above 40 to 60 words you have to write on the notebook. And question number 4 and 5 you have to write in the 100 to 150 words. But question number 6, which is a project based question, you can write in 500 words of these questions. So, and all are that you can see in all the questions there is a choice is given. So if you need this, contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.